Students, today we are starting next chapter of computer science, that is number system. Number system, there are four type of number system. The first one is binary number system. It consists two digits, 0 and 1. Means a number that contain or consists two digits, 0 and 1, means that number is in binary number system. The next number system, it is octal number system. Octal number system that consists 8 digits. How many digits? 8 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It contains only 8 digits starting from 0 to 7. The next number system is what? Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system consists 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and the last one is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, it consists 16 digits. How many digits? 16 digits. अब digit तो कितनी होती है हमारे पास से? Only 0 to 9. So it consists 0 to 9 as digits. अब जो 10 आएगा, 16 काउंट करना है, तो 10 के लिए क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? A, capital A. For the 11, B, C. For the 12, D. For 13, E for 14, and F for 15, because it is starting from 0 to F. 0 to 9 तो डिजिट्स होंगे, और उसके बाद के जो नंबर्स हैं उनको किससे शो करेंगे? अल्फाबेट से, A to F. So we can say it starts from 0 and go to the F. Hexadecimal. So binary number system consists how many digits? 2 digits. The number system of octal consists 8 digits, decimal 10 and hexadecimal 16. Now, for example, one number is given here 7, 8, 9, 3. Now you can see here 7, 8, 9, 3. Here the number contains what? 8 also. So means it is not in the octal, because octal consists only 0 to 7. So that number can be decimal or hexadecimal. So how we will identify the number that given number is in which number system? So when जब भी हम आइडेंटिफाई करना है, तो जब भी हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आएगा तो उसमें that number will be enclosed with what? Brackets, और उसके बेस में नंबर सिस्टम दिया होगा. If I am writing here 2, means that number is in binary number system. क्या number binary number system में है? नहीं, because binary number system में क्या होगा यहाँ पे? सभी 0 और 1 का binary number system लिखा होगा. If I am writing here what? 8, means the number system is in what? Octal number system. But is it that number in octal number system? No. Why? Because octal number system consists on up to 7, 0 to 7. So it is not in the octal number system. So it can be in what? Decimal or hexadecimal. तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है? पता करना कि वो नंबर सिस्टम में कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है. बट जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन दिया होगा तो नंबर सिस्टम जो है, नंबर जो इनक्लोज होगा उसके बेस में, इनक्लोज होने के बाद में उसके बेस में दिया होगा कि कौन से नंबर सिस्टम में. Okay, so if number will be of binary, then it will be enclosed with brackets, and in the base it will be given what? 2. If it will be in the octal, then 8 will be given. For the decimal, 10 will be given. and for the hexadecimal, what 16 will be given. Now, so this is about the number system. Now, next is what? The next is what? We'll study conversion of number system. Conversion of number system means एक number system को दूसरे number system में करेंगे हम convert करेंगे. So the first is what? Conversion of decimal to binary. Decimal से किस पर कन्वर्ट करना है? Binary में कन्वर्ट करना है. So the question will be what? The number is given what? For example, 79. It is given in which number system? Decimal. And now convert it into which number system? Binary. So how will convert? So whenever you are converting decimal to binary, then there will be one method, that is the LCM method. The find out the LCM of 79 with 2. 79 का LCM किससे निकालेंगे? 2 से. कैसे? 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 9s are 18. अब यहाँ पे 19 था, 19 है, लेकिन 2 की टेबल से 9 को मान लो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 का टेबल अगर 9 टाइम बोलेंगे, 9 2 9 से 18 होता है. So 1 is what? Reminder. That reminder will write here. The next is what? Next again divide by 39. 2 ones are 2, 2 9s are 18. Okay. So again, reminder is what? 2. Again we will divide by 2, 2 9s are 18. So reminder is what? 1. Again divide by 2, 2 3s are 2 8, 2 4s are 8. The remainder is what? 1. Now again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. Now what is the remainder? अपना division तो क्या? 2 2s are 4. The remainder is what? 0. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2. So again remainder is what? 0. और लास्ट में 1 है, 1 तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं, इस 1 को हम क्या लिखेंगे? So that is our answer, but write it what? Bottom to top. Means our answer will be the 79 माइनस कितना होगा? बॉटम टू टॉप लिखना है, तो पहले क्या आएगा? 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. That is our answer. It is the conversion of decimal to binary. Let's take one more example. Now, example 157. It is in decimal, converted into binary. So again, method is there. Take 157 LCM of 157 by 2. Now divide it. 2 7s are 14. 1 will be remainder. Here carry. Then 2 8s are 16. What is the remainder? That is 1. Again divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. So here remainder is what? 0. डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, कितना होगा यहाँ? 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. रिमाइंडर कितना होगा? 1. अगेन डिवाइड बाय 2, 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 1. Again divide by 2, 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2. तो रिमाइंडर कितना होगा? 0. प्लीज फाइनली 1 को काट लीजिए यहाँ पर. नाउ राइट द नंबर 0 and 1 from bottom to top. So our answer will be what? 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. That is the conversion of decimal to binary. Okay. Now next conversion. The next conversion is what? Binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. अभी हमने कौन सा किया? Decimal to binary. Now next is binary to decimal. So how will convert binary to decimal? For example, question is given here: 1 0 1 1 0 1. That is the question given in the binary. Now convert it into decimal. We have to find out decimal number. So how will solve it? For the solution, the number which is given in the binary, write each digit of binary number separately. For example, from right to left: 0 1 1 1 0 and 1. The next step is what? From right hand side, start multiplying to the power 0, then increase the power to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4, to the power 5. Now add all these digits, plus all these numbers, add them, apply addition. Now solve the equation. To the power 0 is what? 1 into, to the power 0 is what? 1, plus to the power 1 is what? 2 multiplied by 0, plus to the power 2 is 4 multiplied by 1, plus to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 1, to the power 4 16 multiplied by 0, plus to the power 5 32 multiplied by 1. Solve again. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 0 plus 4 multiplied by 1 4, 8 multiplied by 1 8 plus 16 multiplied by 0 32 multiplied by 1 32. Add all these numbers. 32 plus 8 40 plus 4 44 plus 1. What will be our answer? 45. So our answer is what? 1001101. The conversion of binary number into decimal is what? 45. So that is the binary to decimal number conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. Now next, let's take one more example. For example, we are taking one more example. That is 0 1 1 0 1 0 and again 1. Now solution, write it separately from right hand side: 1, then 0, then 1 0 1 1 0. Start multiplying from right hand side to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4, to the power 5, 2 to the power 6. Add them all. Now solve the question. 2 to the power 0 is what? 1. 1 multiplied by 1. What will be the answer? 1. To the power 1. 4 to the power 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. To the power 2. What? 4 multiplied by 1. Answer will be 4. To the power 3. 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. To the power 4. 16 multiplied by 1. 16 plus to the power 5. 2. 32. 32 multiplied by 1. That is 32. Plus to the power 6. 64 multiplied by 0. That will be 0. Now add them all. 32 plus 16, 48 plus 4, 52 plus 1, 53. That will be our answer. So that is the decimal to binary number system. Okay, decimal to binary number system. Now next number system conversion is decimal to octal. Decimal to octal number system conversion. The question will be what? For example, a number is given in decimal 798. It is given in decimal. Now convert it into which number system? Octal. The method is same as earlier in the decimal to binary number system. I told you, whenever you are converting decimal to any number system, decimal to any, for example, you are converting to binary, octal or hexadecimal number system, decimal to किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्जन करना है तो हमेशा कौन सी मेथड यूज करेंगे? एलसीएम मेथड. ओके, और जिस नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल डेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्ट करना है तो किससे एलसीएम लेंगे? 2 से. डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल करना है तो किससे एलसीएम लेंगे? 8 से. और डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल करना है तो किससे एलसीएम निकालेंगे? 16 से. सो whenever you are converting डेसिमल टू एनी अदर नंबर सिस्टम, उस नंबर के जो बेस है, नंबर सिस्टम का जो बेस है, उस नंबर सिस्टम से करना है, उसको डिवाइड करना है, एलसीएम करना है. तो यहाँ पर डेसिमल टू किसको करना है? ऑक्टल में. तो नंबर विच इज गिवन इन डेसिमल, टेक एलसीएम विथ 8. 8 9 72. कितना बचा इसमें से? 7. अगेन 8 9 72. सो रिमाइंडर इज व्हाट? 6. फाइनल रिमाइंडर कितना है? 6 आया. अगेन डिवाइड बाय 8. 8 1 8. कितना बचा? 9. नाउ 8 2 16. What is the remainder? 3. Again divide by 8. 8 1 8. Remainder is what? 4. Final last में कितना बचा? 1. तो उस 1 को everything is happening. Now write it bottom to top. So our answer will be what? 1 4 3 6. That is the octal number system. So that is the process of decimal to octal. Okay. Now next number system conversion is what? Octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. For example, question is given here 2 5 6. It is given in octal. Now convert it into decimal. That is the question. Now what will be the solution? Again method is same. If you are converting any number system like octal, binary octal, hexadecimal to decimal, the method is same. कौन सा? Multiply method यूज करेंगे. कौन सी? मल्टीप्लाई, जो हमने बाइनरी में यूज किया. किसमें किया था? बाइनरी टू डेसिमल कर रहे तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करना? टू द पावर 0 से, देन पावर इंक्रीज कर दिया, टू द पावर 1 टू द पावर 3 लाइक दिस. इफ यू आर converting octal to decimal, then you will start from 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2 like this. If you are converting hexadecimal to decimal, then you multiply by 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2 and so on. So अगर हम किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम से डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो कौन सी मेथड यूज करते हैं? multiply next. So let's solve this question. Right, second 6 5 2. Start multiplying from right hand side. Add to the power 0, add to the power 1, add to the power 2, add them all. So add to the power 0 means किसी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 होता है तो क्या होता है 1 ही होता है 16 6 into 1. Add to the power 1 means what? Add multiplied by 5. Next add to the power 2 means what? 16 multiplied by 2. So what will be the 32 plus 14 plus 6? The answer will be what? 70. That is this one. Okay. So that is the conversion octal to decimal. So students, today we have solved two number system. What? Decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and decimal to octal, and octal to decimal. Now solve the questions given in the book, and if you have any doubt then ask me. Okay, and in the next video we'll go through the next conversion of this chapter. Thank you.